Hey children, welcome to today's class. Today we'll begin with a new topic in craft. Okay, children, we see a variety of flowers all around us. Yes, there are many types of flowers. Do you all know which is this flower? What is it called? It is a tulip. Yes, these flowers are tulip flowers, and we get tulip flowers in a variety of colors. You can see here there are so many colors, red, yellow, purple, white, orange, pink. You get variety of colors in tulip flowers. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to make a tulip flower bouquet. Learn how to make a tulip flower bouquet. So let's get started with the materials first. We'll see what materials we need. Okay, you will need 6 craft papers. Okay, any colors will do. You will need 6 craft papers. Then you will need 2 papers, 2 light green and dark green color uh, craft papers for making leaves. Okay, then you will need one bigger square paper. Okay, it approximately of 20 centimeter or 22 centimeters. Okay, so the size of the square should be around 20 to 22 centimeter or 22 centimeters. Okay, now next you will need some newspapers to make paper tubes. You remember children, we had made the paper tubes in our previous class when we made photo frame. Yes, okay, so you'll need newspaper for making the paper tubes. Next you will need fevicol. You will need a small piece of ribbon, scissors, pencil, eraser. Okay, so these are the materials. Now let's get started. Take the first craft paper, any color you can take. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to fold the paper into half. You will fold the paper into half. Okay, now again fold paper into half, so you will fold 2 times. Now when you open the paper you will get 4 squares. 2 3 4, you will get 4 squares. Now what you have to do, you have to cut the squares. That means you will cut it from the center. Okay, you will cut it first like this and then again into half. So in all you will get 4 papers. Okay, 4 squares. Okay, but we will need only 3 squares. You can keep one paper aside, one square aside. Okay, you will need 3 squares. Now what is the next step? You will take one square and fold it into half. See how I have folded. Okay, you have to be very careful while folding. Okay, I have folded uh, the right hand part on the left hand part. Okay, so now next what are we going to do is you are going to do a half heart shape. Okay, can you see here? Okay, now this is the folded part and this side is the opening part. Okay, so you have to be very careful while drawing the heart. The it should start from the folded part, and now half heart you will draw. Okay, only half. So when you open it, it will look like a full heart. Okay, so you will repeat the process for all the 3 square. You will repeat the process for all the 3 squares. So I hope it is clear children. Now for cutting, please take the help of your parents. Okay, be careful while using the scissors. Okay, now see, now how we will start with, now we'll start with the making of the flower. Our hearts are ready. Now we will start making the flowers. Okay, Now what you have to do is, you have to, okay, before we go proceed, you have to follow the same procedure for all the remaining papers. Okay, from all the remaining papers, all the other five colors also, you will fold it how I showed you, and cut cut the paper. You will get four squares. From that you will take three sets of three. So you will have three red, three pink, three yellow, three purple, or whatever colors you are taking. So after that you start with the first color. Now here I have started with the blue color. Now keep the heart shape upside down. Okay, this curved part should come down and that little pointed part should go up. Okay, now next, the remaining two parts, you will fold it into half. Okay, fold it into half. Now very important, first place it properly. See how I have placed the heart. The first heart is upside down. Yes, one I have kept it like this, and one I have kept it like this. Okay, see the position properly. Now what you have to do is, you will put glue only till here. Okay, only this much. You will not apply glue on this upper part. No, only halfway. Okay, halfway only you will apply the glue. Now next, the remaining two hearts that we had folded, you will stick it over the first heart in a slanting way. Okay, little slant you do and just press it. Automatically it will stick on the glue that you have applied on the heart shape, which is the base. Okay, now repeat with all the flowers. Okay, same way you will do for all the flowers. Now see, our flowers are ready. Tulip flowers are ready. Now what you have to do, you have to make the tubes. As I told you. Now paper tubes you have already learned how to do. You will take any stick or pencil and just roll out how it is shown here. Okay, I have explained you this before also, and fix the end by applying glue. Now you will need 6 uh, uh, paper tubes. Now if you have green color paper, you can directly do with the green color paper. Suppose if you are doing with newspaper, then you will have to color the tubes with green color. Okay, you can do you can either color it or directly use the green paper. Okay, now next, you will take one flower and keep it upside down. You will turn it on the other side, and then you will apply glue in the center. On the center line you apply glue. Now you will stick that paper tube, green color paper tube, on it. Okay, as I have shown you here. Now next, you will repeat the same procedure for all the flowers. See, now our flowers are ready. Okay, now you will have to cut out the leaves. So you will cut out leaves for the flowers. See, I have used light green and dark green color. Okay, then you will stick the leaves as I have shown you here. Okay, so now the flowers are ready. The flowers are ready. See how beautiful they are looking. Okay, now next, you will take that big square which I told you. Okay, and you will keep the square like this. Okay, in a diamond shape form. Okay, you will keep the square, then you will fold the left side first. Okay, left side you will fold it half the way, like a cone shape, how we for cone shape we fold it, then the it will be like this. Okay, now what you have to do is you will apply glue on this right hand side fold. Okay, and this side you will apply very little. Okay, not till here. Okay, because this fold will come here. Okay, this point will come here, so apply little only gum here. Okay, Fevicol. Okay, now you will fold it and stick it over the first fold. Okay, see how I have done it here. Okay, now let it dry for 2 minutes. Hold it and let it dry. Okay, now what you have to do, it will look like this. Okay, now take the ribbon and just make a bow and stick the ribbon. See how I have done here. Just make a bow and stick it here. Now next, place all your flowers in the bouquet. Okay, see how beautiful it's looking. Okay, so our tulip flower bouquet is ready. Enjoy doing it, children. Do it nicely, and you can present this to any of your family members on their birthdays. Okay, if anybody's birthday is there in your family, start making this flower bouquet and present them. Okay, so the flower bouquet is ready. See you in the next class, children. We'll make something interesting in the next class too. Okay, so goodbye. Thank you. Sai Ram.